To some extent, AI image generation for now is basically as good as what your prompting skills are. In the latest version of ChatGPT 4.0, where they've integrated DALL-E 3 actually starts helping you with prompting. But still, let me help you create great prompts that have great content outputs that will match your expectations. What most of us do when we start creating images using AI, we start out with a simple prompt. In this case, I wanted AI to create an image for me that I can use in a learning module that signifies somebody thinking about the impact of nature. So the first image or the first prompt that I created was simple: create an image of a brain thinking with question marks coming out of it. So let's see. It created two images for me, which are not bad, but they're not exactly what I have in mind. It doesn't really reflect a very expressive and very professional image with the right context. So this is what you typically get in, let's say, level one or beginner level AI. So let's take one step up to the intermediate level. So in the intermediate level, we are going to add more description of the subject, and we're also going to add context. So I'm increasing my or improving my prompt by saying, create an image of a brain thinking with the face of a young girl looking at a tree and question marks coming out of it. Let's see what it does with this one. So beautiful. Here it actually creates the tree, it creates the young girl, and this is closer to what I expect. But this is not exactly where I want to be yet. Now let's step it up from the intermediate level to the pro level. In the pro level, we're going to add some mood or emotion to the prompt, as well as a purpose. What I did in this case, I improved my prompt by saying, create an image of a brain thinking with the face of a young girl looking at a tree and question marks coming out of it. The girl is sad because the tree faces water shortages. I want to use the image to raise awareness about deforestation. The AI should be clever enough to actually interpret the purpose and adapt the image to actually suit the purpose of what I need the image for. So let me show you what the AI does. So here it basically listened to my prompt as I requested. It created a little bit more of a sad context. I think the visual quality is a little bit less appealing, but it added the emotion and it added the context, and it made images that are more appropriate to the context for what I want to use it. Shall we go another step from pro level to advanced level? Let's do that. In this advanced version, I'm going to add two components. I'm going to add a style and quality description, and then I'm also going to add a destination. So I will tell AI where this image is going to be used. So let's see what it does with this additional information. I adapted the prompt to now say, first part is the same, but here you will see I added create a photorealistic image of a brain thinking. The rest is the same, with the face of a young girl looking at a tree, question marks coming out of her brain. The girl is sad because the tree faces water shortages. I want to use the image in a course on environmental conservation to raise awareness about deforestation. And this is what it came up with. Fantastic. This image now exactly depicts what I want to say. It's a woman or a lady or a young girl looking at a tree. She's clearly sad. She's clearly thinking. And the tree and the desert and everything depicts the emotion and the context, and the quality looks great. It's an image that I will, with pride, include in the learning material that I'm creating. I hope that was helpful. Remember to hit the bell button if you want to be notified of the next videos coming up.